ಜೋಳ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೂ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಅಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಈ ಜೋಳದಲ್ಲಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಈ ಸಲ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಬೇಡದೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ.
What if you can create an ecosystem that can grow crops all by itself with very less external input, time and maintenance, where you can grow the most delicious, most nourishing and the best tasting food every day without the use of chemicals and with very minimal manpower. At Beagle Agritech, that's what we do. We create technologies that help farmers feed this booming world with the sustainable farming technologies and practices.
Our objective is to help farmers become more profitable and successful. What we realized during coronavirus pandemic was so many people were going hungry. So there was a different kind of approach required for fruit production that is sustainable, which led us to a solution, Integrated Circular Pyramid Farming, ICPF.
The current integrated circular pyramid farming has been built for a farmer at Shivkote, Bengaluru within just 250 square feet area under a protective structure, where we are helping the farmer raise chicken, fish, plants all naturally.
ICPF is Integrated Circular Pyramid Farming. It's an innovative model of microponics designed and developed by our global challenge research partner Beagle Agritech in India, and this was in collaboration with Nottingham Trent University, United Kingdom, with a clear objective to create awareness among agriculture students, the future entrepreneurs and local farmers about the need for a sustainable method of farming. We at NTU believe that sustainability is a key aspect of the present global issues.
In this system, the poultry, fish and plants have been symbiotically integrated on a rice structure to complement each other's growth. The Kadaknath hens are placed on top of the pyramid structure, which leaves its excreta straight into the fish tank, which helps in producing feed for the fish. The ammonia and the solid waste released by the fish will then be sent to the biofilter. The ammonia waste which comes to this biofilter, with the help of these bioballs, undergoes the nitrification process, which gets converted into plant available nitrates. The nutrient rich water from the biofilter is then passed to the grow bed, and from grow bed to the nutrient film technique channel.
It is a symbiotic relationship between plants, fish, bacteria and hens. Rather than overpowering nature by using inorganic pesticides and weedicides, we have a product that works with nature.
When we look at ICPF, it's a new system of farming, and it has been developed to look deeper into the crisis of the small family farms falling in between the modern and primitive production systems with a small land holding. This will benefit small farm holders through diversified farming and sustained income within the available land, within the resources and using simple technology.
This technology can help bringing farming close to cities, and it can eliminate the waste produced in traditional supply chain. In the 5 by 5 feet area, we do farming in the open ground. We would be able to grow around 25 to 30 plants. But after adopting this ICPF technology, we are now able to grow 105 plants in the same area. We grow different varieties of lettuce, strawberry, basils and many more along with the crops like broccoli, zucchini and capsicum in the connecting system. Not just that, we are also raising 5 Kadaknath hens as well as 35 tilapia fish in the same 5 by 5 feet area with just 2000 liters of water without soil and absolutely zero chemicals. All plants are completely nourished with the poultry and fish waste in the circulatory system. With this technology, our productivity has increased by more than 6 times. I strongly believe with this technology, we are going to change the way we do farming.
Key benefits of ICPF for farmers: increased input efficiency, cost minimization for input use, increased youth involvement, recycling, continuous and sustained income round the year, reduced price volatility risk through diversified activities, energy saving and water conservation.
We, the Team Beagle, are not just the brains behind the concept, but the hands as well. We leveled the land, dug up the holes, erected the structure, designed the nursery, sourced all the chicks, seedlings and saplings and presented it to our farmer. Today, we have this wonderful farm in front of us, giving us an opportunity for year-round cultivation with 90% more efficient use of water. I am proud to be a part of this team and work for the future of farming. Till date, we have educated more than 50 farmers, agriculture enthusiasts and students, and we are looking forward to help more such individuals by assisting them in explaining the know-hows of this technology, because the future of agriculture is in profitability through sustainability.
The ICPF method has the ability to contribute directly to accomplish the 4 Sustainable Development Goals, that is SDGs. SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation. SDG number 12, responsible consumption and production. SDG number 13, climate action. SDG number 14, life below water.
ICPF is such a technology which has ability to attract youth towards it because of its minimal drudgery and assured income. It provides opportunity to do farming with minimal and available resources.
ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅನುಕೂಲನೇ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಕಡಿಮೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕೂ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಔಷಧಿ ಹೊಡೆಯೋಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕಳೆ ಕೀಳೋಂಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಕೋಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಾಗಲಿ ಫಿಶ್ ಸಾಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಾಗಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಬೆಳೆ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹಾಯನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಆರ್ಥಿಕತೆಯೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
As this farming technology is self-reliant on its own system, we can recenter our focus on other works like dairy management, coconut farming and marketing activities. By using this method, we can grow exotic and off-season crops along with fish and poultry, fetching us higher and assured income.